However, accessibility doesn't guarantee success. The dropshipping landscape is competitive, and simply listing products isn't enough. To truly stand out and achieve Oberlo success, you need a strategic approach. So, let's unlock the secrets of the top sellers. 1. Niche down deep. Generic stores selling everything under the sun rarely achieve significant traction. Top Oberlo sellers understand the power of specialization. They identify a specific niche with a passionate audience and cater exclusively to their needs. This allows them to become experts in their field, build a strong brand identity, and attract highly targeted customers. Think beyond broad categories like home goods or fashion. Instead, consider niches like sustainable pet accessories, vintage motorcycle parts, or handmade jewelry for sensitive skin. The more specific you are, the easier it becomes to identify your ideal customer, understand their pain points, and offer products that truly resonate. 2. Rigorous product research is non-negotiable. Oberlo makes it easy to import products, but blindly adding items to your store is a recipe for disaster. Top sellers dedicate significant time and effort to in-depth product research. They don't just look at trending products. They analyze market demand, competition, supplier reliability, and potential profit margins. They utilize tools like Google Trends, AliExpress Analytics, and competitor analysis to identify products with consistent demand and low competition. They also meticulously vet potential suppliers, checking their ratings, reviews, and shipping times to ensure a positive customer experience. Remember, your reputation is on the line. 3. Build a branded experience. While dropshipping eliminates the need for physical inventory, it doesn't mean you should neglect branding. Top Oberlo sellers understand that building a recognizable brand fosters trust, loyalty, and repeat business. This goes beyond just having a logo. It involves creating a cohesive visual identity across your store, using consistent messaging, providing excellent customer service, and even customizing packaging where possible. Think about your brand story, your values, and what makes your store unique. A strong brand helps you stand out from generic dropshipping stores and command higher prices. 4. Optimize your product listings like a pro. Generic product descriptions and low-quality images won't cut it. Top sellers treat their product listings as mini sales pages. They write compelling and detailed descriptions that highlight the benefits of the product, not just its features. They use high-quality images and even videos that showcase the product from multiple angles and in real-life scenarios. They also optimize their product titles and descriptions with relevant keywords to improve search engine visibility. Think about what your customers would search for and incorporate those terms naturally. Don't underestimate the power of well-crafted product listings in driving conversions. 5. Master the art of customer service. In the world of e-commerce, exceptional customer service is a major differentiator. Top Oberlo sellers prioritize their customers and go above and beyond to ensure their satisfaction. They respond promptly to inquiries, handle complaints efficiently, and proactively communicate with their customers throughout the order process. Happy customers are more likely to leave positive reviews, refer others, and become repeat buyers. Building a reputation for excellent customer service is crucial for long-term success in the competitive dropshipping landscape. 6. Strategic marketing is key. Simply having a great store and amazing products isn't enough. You need to get them in front of the right people. Top Oberlo sellers develop and execute strategic marketing plans that reach their target audience effectively. This might involve a combination of social media marketing, paid advertising, Facebook, Instagram, Google Ads, influencer collaborations, email marketing, and content marketing. They understand their target audience's online behavior and invest in the channels that will yield the best results. They also track their marketing efforts closely to optimize their campaigns and maximize their return on investment. 7. Leverage data and analytics. Successful Oberlo sellers are data-driven. They constantly monitor their store's performance using analytics tools to understand what's working and what's not. They track key metrics like website traffic, conversion rates, average order value, and customer acquisition cost. By analyzing this data, they can identify areas for improvement, optimize their marketing campaigns, refine their product offerings, and make informed business decisions. Don't underestimate the power of data in guiding your growth. 8. Stay adaptable and embrace learning. The e-commerce landscape is constantly evolving. Trends change, new platforms emerge, and consumer behavior shifts. Top Oberlo sellers are lifelong learners who stay updated on the latest industry trends and are willing to adapt their strategies accordingly. They continuously test new approaches, experiment with different marketing tactics, and are not afraid to pivot when necessary. The ability to learn and adapt is crucial for long-term success in the dynamic world of online business. 9. Focus on building long-term sustainability. While quick wins are tempting, top Oberlo sellers focus on building a sustainable business for the long haul. This means prioritizing customer satisfaction, building a strong brand, and creating a loyal customer base. They understand that repeat customers are far more valuable than one-time buyers. By focusing on building lasting relationships with their customers, they create a more resilient and profitable business. 10. Automate and optimize. Oberlo itself is a powerful automation tool, but top sellers go further in streamlining their processes. They leverage other apps and tools to automate tasks like email marketing, social media management, and customer service. By optimizing their workflow, they free up valuable time to focus on higher-level strategic activities like product research and marketing. Efficiency is key to scaling your business effectively. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.